Then comes our step number 13, which is discussion. After we have done our introduction part, literature review part, methodology part, we have done our data collection, we have run our results in SPSS or any data analysis software. Then comes part of discussing those results. So let's see what we do in this step. You write purpose of your research paper. Number 2, you write research objectives which you have achieved in this research paper. Then the results. Then you discuss the results with the past researches and see your results are different from them or your results are same. If your results are different from them, then this will be your finding of your research paper. So then you conclude your findings which you have found it after discussing your results and comparing with past researches. Then comes a recommendation. In recommendation, you give recommendation to your future researchers about your study, how they can use your study and make it new.